My name is Ernestina Mashiane, known as Unono Mashiane. The name of my gin, it's 013 Gin. Proudly from 013, it's proudly from Emalahleni. We're currently operating in Akaville. What really motivated me to start the business, it was me finding more means to make more money. Our products are available nationwide. You can use PEP, Pepsi. Gin is very good for your health. It prevents you from cancer. It's good for cooking, and it's also an anti-aging drink. My contact details, my cell is 079 7066 383. On Facebook, you can get us at 013 Gin. In Instagram, it's ZOT_013 Gin. Hi, my name is Ernestina Mashiane, and I am a township entrepreneur.